Hey guys, I'm just going to go through very quickly how you can create a project in JCreator for use with Karel, the Java robot, and all of the tasks that you're going to be assigned. You can also follow along with the packet that you have with the 10-12 steps on there. But first, we're going to open up JCreator. You can find that usually on your desktop or should be in your Windows menu. And we go right to File, New, and we always choose Project. We're going to be using File, New, Project throughout the third and the fourth quarter. We choose Basic Java Application. We're going to touch on applets later, but pretty much every project is a basic Java application. And we click Next. And then we have the name of the project. The name, just like our HTML days, no spaces. And in this case, our first letter is capitalized. So for Program 1, we're going to call it Prog1, capital P. No spaces between the G and 1. One of the most important steps, location. Click on the 3 dots. You have to go find your H drive. So we click on the arrow next to computer, click on the arrow next to your name, and then scroll down alphabetically until you find your Karel folder. Click on that one time and click OK. Now read this. This is the important part here. H, Karel, and it should be whatever program or your program's name is. So in our case, Prog1. If you see H, Karel in the name, click Finish. It's going to build your project space, which builds that folder in your Karel folder. And then we can click Finish. We don't really use prog1.java until the fourth quarter, so I'm just going to exit out of there. It's still under the source, inside the source folder. I just leave them alone. I don't touch them. Okay, we need to input our Karel main and our Karel J robot that allows all of our Karel methods to work. So we need to make sure we right-click on the source folder. Not Prog1, make sure SRC is highlighted. We go to Add, and we choose Add Existing Files. Now if you checked that step 7, make sure that location said H, Karel, and then the project name. This is easy. You hit the green up one level arrow 2 times, and you'll be in your Karel folder. Hold on your Control key. Choose Karel J Robot and Karel Main. We do not choose Super Robot right now. You need Karel J Robot to run, and Karel Main is like your template to make it work. That's what we type into. We click Open. 2 pop-ups asking you if you would like to add Karel J Robot to the project. So we add it. Karel Main to the project. We add it. And then all of our code goes in Karel Main. Okay? We always replace the first comment. So let's recreate just Karel moving in class. So we had Karel move to 3-2, and we had made a plan for that. So we had Karel.move, and he's at 1-1 east. So we had Karel.move, and then we had Karel.turn left. Use that menu if you need to. And I always compile it first. Make sure you have no syntax errors, so no missing semicolons. And then if I want to copy and paste, then it's a great thing to do there. I'm going to check it for syntax, completed. I'm going to run my program by hitting F5. And I'm going to check my general output. That gives me any runtime errors, like walking through a wall, no beepers to put or to pick. And turns off, no errors. So you're set to move on in your program. I hope this helps.